If you want to test the flow pattern and if your injectors are working, quite an easy way to do it. First of all, unbolt your rail from where they are in your inlet manifold, but leave the injectors attached to the fuel rail. Then you also need a 9-volt battery. I've just taped a double piece of wire on there, which means I can then touch the two ends onto the connector of the injectors, and that will make the solenoid fire. So then turn on your car's ignition but don't start it, and then the fuel pressure will be pressurised, which means then when you tap the press the end of your injectors like that, you'll see them fire out petrol. So a couple of things to look for when you're doing it. First of all, that they're all even's a good start point, but they should spray the fuel out into almost a mist. And if you look in the end of the injector square on, you should see how many pinholes there are there. These have just got 2 on them. Often they have 4, and you should be able to see every single one of those pushing fuel out. Do they have some of the holes that are blocked, then you want to get your injectors cleaned or a good replacement part for them. If they're not spraying at all the injectors, then there's probably a problem with the solenoid or the fuel supply. There's filters in the top of the injectors that often get blocked up with dirty fuel. But yes, it's more of a visual start point to see where to problem solve.